In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the press and hold to repeat key function on your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher menu and then select the settings button. And now on the left panel, select device. And on the right side underneath device, select keyboard and inputs. And then underneath repeat keys and accent marks, where it says press and hold to automatically repeat the key. If you hold down a key, the key's character will repeat. Click inside that oval to toggle it on, and then you can adjust some additional settings below for delay before repeat as well as the repeat rate. And that is pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.